So in order to make a TikTok account, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and download the app, and we can do this by going to the App Store or Google Play Store. So once you've got the app fully downloaded, you want to go ahead and open it up, and you're going to be greeted with a home screen that looks like this. Now it's going to be playing videos from creators that I've uploaded, and you can go ahead and scroll through them videos. Now in order to actually create your account, you want to go ahead and click on the tab in the bottom right corner called Me. Once you've clicked on the tab, you're going to be greeted with a screen that looks like this, and you want to go ahead and click on the big red button called Sign Up. You are now going to be greeted with a few sign up options, and these sign up options will change over time. Now we're going to be using the more traditional method, and we're going to sign up using a phone or an email address. However, you can go ahead and sign up using your social medias, but bear in mind that if you do this, you will be given a lot more information to different companies by doing this. So if you're signing up by phone or email, the next screen will prompt you to enter your birthday, and you need to be at least 13 years old to use the TikTok service. So just go ahead and enter in your date of birth. Once you've done this, you'll be asked whether you want to sign up with your phone number or your email address. Now in this case, I'm going to be using my email address, as I only have one phone number but multiple email addresses. So go ahead and choose whichever one you want. So once you've entered in your phone number or email address, in this case it's going to be email, you want to go ahead and click on continue, and it's going to ask for some sort of verification to make sure that you're not a robot, so just go ahead and do that now. You're now going to be asked for a password, so just go ahead and enter in a strong password and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you'll be taken back to the home screen where you're going to see creators upload, and again you can go ahead and swipe through these and start searching for people you want to follow. Now if you did sign up to TikTok using your email address, you should receive an email that looks something like this. It's basically just there to confirm that your email address is real, and you just need to verify it. Now if you did sign up using your phone number, you should receive a text that's basically the similar thing, just need to confirm that the phone number you're given is real. So once you've fully signed up for TikTok and you've verified your email or phone number, if you go back to the application and you go back to the Me tab in the bottom right hand corner, you notice that your profile will appear. Now I recommend clicking on edit profile just at the top, where you can go ahead and edit everything like your cover photo, your name, your username, etc. You can also add social media links too. If you do want to change your username, you can only change that every 30 days, so make sure you choose something that you like and make sure you are set on it, because you won't be able to change it for another 30 days. And that is all you need to do to make a TikTok account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and have a good day.